Hey guys, Mike here. In this video I wanted to touch on cross sections of the pentatonic scale. Cross sections are really cool because they get you places horizontally as opposed to vertically. Like most of you guys probably know, the old root position pentatonic scale can only get you so far. It can only get you down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 notes really. But if you use a cross section, you think horizontally, get a decent amount of notes, and you can also get up the neck faster if you want to jump in a different position. So let's just jump right into it. What I'm doing, I'm playing in A minor. First one's going to play an A here, 5th fret in your E. And you can go 3, 5, 7, 5, 7 in your D string, 5, 7, 9 in the G string, and then 8, 10 on the B string. So all together we have. I included the blue note in there too. So again, 5, 3, 5, 7, 5, 7, 5, 7, 9, 8, 10. And then you can play the rest of the scale up the neck. I'm going 8, 10, 12, 15, 17. Now it's located all over the neck too, and it's a movable scale just like the rest of the scales in the world. I just dropped my pick. Here it is. You can move it all around the neck just like any regular scale. So if you wanted to do B minor, start at your B right there, and then so on and so forth. You can move up. You can do the exact same thing with the major pentatonic scale too. The position that I usually use the most is this guy right here. We'll stay in the key of A too. So we get 5. So we get 5, 7, 9, 7, 9 octave, the 7th fret on the D string. And then the next octave is 7, 9, 11, 9, 11, 10. So you can extend it if you want to too. So again. So here's some examples of the A minor pentatonic cross section. So see how it got me all the way up on the neck here, so I get, if I really want to scream, I'm all the way up in 17th position up there. A major pentatonic. It's a very the major pentatonic cross section, or major pentatonic scale in general, is a very like do re mi type of scale. Do re mi re do. So there's one way to get yourself out of the box. A lot of guitarists will say, man, I'm really hanging out here too much, which is really true. I get hung up there. All guitarists get hung up there a lot. So that's one way to start thinking horizontally on the neck of the guitar. So I hope that helped, and hopefully hear from you soon. If you like what you see, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Check out my blues course coming up, and I'll see you guys soon.